Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you this warm orange glittery look in this tutorial, and I'm going to use two Morphe eyeshadow palettes, the 15T and the 35O palette. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. And I will take the first color, Morphe. It's a very bright orange color, and I will blend this in the crease and build it up with a small blending brush. And the second color is this peachy color from the Morphe 35O palette. I will blend this above the first color with a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to cut the crease with a Pale Louise base and my Real Techniques detailer brush. and dab on the base with a flat brush to let it dry a little bit. I'm going to use the NYX pigment in the color embellishment on my lid and a little bit of glitter. I'm using the H&M glitter. I will use this Kiko Milano eye pencil to draw a line close to my lash line.
You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
I will take this orange glittery color to blend the two colors together, and I will add more of the color Morph Babe in the outer view of my eye.
To me, if I can't share it with you, walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you.
I'm drawing a line with the color Morph Babe and this thin brush by Sigma Beauty.
Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
And blend everything together with Morph Babe and the lighter color from the 35O palette. And blend the same colors on the lower lash line.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me.
And apply the same eye pencil on the real waterline.
You make me feel amazing when I'm
and highlight the inner corner and your brow bone with the same color.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who.
So this is the result of today's look. I hope you guys like how it came out. I've used very bright colors, but I love it. And don't forget to tag me in your looks when you recreate any of them. I hope to see you by my next video. Bye guys!